Heptabase caught my attention as a visual note-taking app, but does it really live up to the hype? Today we're diving into whether this tool is actually worth your time and money or just another overhyped app. Heptabase positions itself as a visual note-taking platform that aims to make organizing thoughts and ideas more intuitive. Right off the bat, the interface feels modern and user-friendly, which is a huge plus for anyone who's ever been frustrated with clunky note apps. You can create interconnected notes that visually represent your thoughts, which is great for brainstorming sessions or when you're trying to map out complex ideas. However, while the concept is solid, I did notice some areas that could use improvement. For instance, the onboarding process felt a bit rushed and I found myself wishing for more guided tutorials, especially since there are some unique features like the ability to embed links and images directly into notes. The targeted audience seems to be students and professionals looking for a fresh way to capture and manage information, but if you're more of a traditional note taker, you might find Heptabase a bit overwhelming at first. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Heptabase's visual approach can really enhance creativity and help you see connections between ideas that you might miss with standard text notes. The flexibility in how you can arrange your notes is also a big selling point. On the downside, I encountered some frustrations with the app's performance. It felt a little sluggish at times, especially with larger note sets. Additionally, the lack of offline access is a concern. If you're in a spot without internet, you're out of luck. Pricing could also be a sticking point for some. While it offers a free tier, you may find that the features you really want are locked behind a paywall. This could deter casual users who might not want to invest upfront. So, who should consider Heptabase? If you're a visual learner or someone who thrives on connecting ideas in a dynamic way, it might be worth trying. However, if you prefer straightforward note-taking without the bells and whistles, you might want to look for simpler alternatives. Overall, I see potential here, but it needs a bit more polish to be a go-to tool.